Welcome back to Beauty for the Win. Today I want to show you guys the best face mask for any type of acne, wrinkles, and just in general to purify your skin. There's only 2 ingredients in this face mask, and that is plain Greek yogurt, and that is chlorophyll. I'm using the liquid. If you don't have the liquid, you can use the powder as well, same equivalent. So this plain Greek yogurt, I put 1 big heaping tablespoon of it into a little bowl. And with your chlorophyll, you're going to put a teaspoon in there. Chlorophyll is a very dark green color, and it is extracted from many different types of plants. Now you're going to mix all of that together. And it should be a nice smooth consistency, just like that. So there are many different ways to apply this mask. You can use your hands, you can use a facial brush, you can use a facial spatula, whatever you would like to do. Just make sure that you apply this all over your face evenly.